Racing just is started. We have Ian's Melody. Break weekly start. Maimpok. Go. Air Force is down on the inside. Spanish Drums comes next. Then followed over by Lord of the Sun. Unica Champ second last, while Dugus Sprite is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And at the far turn, we have Maimpok by our length and a half. And in second, Ian's Melody. Spanish Drums is on the outside. Go Air Force is down on the inside. Lord of the Sun. Then comes Unica Champ, while Dugus Sprite is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Maimpok by about 2 lengths. Go Air Force in second. Ian's Melody. Spanish Drums, Lord of the Sun as they swing for home. We have Maimpok by about 4 lengths. Ian's Melody in second. Lord of the Sun is sorry outside. Last 50 meters. We have Maimpok, and finally Maimpok. The second close between Ian's Melody, Lord of the Sun. Then comes number 7, Spanish Drums, and Go Air Force.